What's up, guys? Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster, making claims great again. And what I want to talk about real briefly here today is, what does your homeowner insurance policy cover? Do you know? Do you really know? Because I highly doubt that you do. Do you have an HO2, an HO3, maybe an HO5? Do you know? I don't think you do. Do you have actual cash value or replacement cost value? Do you know? I bet you don't. These are very important things to know. You guys have to know what you have coverage for. One of the services that I provide for free is called an insurance policy review. Might not sound like a real big deal, or maybe something that's a real valuable service or something that you want. You do, guys, you do. Because if you don't know how to read your insurance policy inside and out, when you do need it, you might not have the coverages that you need. So, I spent 5 years prior to this as a storm damage contractor. I've dealt with a lot of people that had a loss from wind or from hail or from whatever the situation happened to be, that thought that that would be covered by their insurance policy, and in some cases in the past it wasn't. And so I don't want this to happen to you guys. You don't know what's in your insurance policy. You know how many times I've met with homeowners that their policy is still in a sealed envelope that was mailed from the insurance company to their house? They haven't even opened it. So how can you possibly tell me you know everything that's in there if you haven't even opened it? Do you know that when your insurance policy is renewed, so your policy is good for a year, when they renew it, sometimes the insurance company changes your coverage, okay? They have to tell you about that, but when you get a letter from your insurance company, if it's not a bill, if they send you a letter, do you read it? I don't. I mean, I'm guilty for sure. Before I was a public adjuster anyway, I was guilty of this. So, maybe you read your policy when you first got it, and now 4 years have gone by or 5 years have gone by, and it's been revised and revised and revised, and now some of the coverages you thought you had aren't there any longer. So, guys, know what's in your policy. Know what kind of coverage you have. It's critical to know. I'll use a real quick example and I'll stop with the video. I talked with a guy a week or two ago. He owns apartment buildings. He reached out to his insurance agent and said, listen, just give me tip-top coverage. I don't want to have to worry about any problems if something happens. So he had a number of buildings. One of the buildings burns down. He doesn't have law and ordinance coverage on this particular building. And so as a result, to rebuild this structure, it cost him like $15,000 or $20,000 that came out of his pocket to rebuild this structure. Don't let it happen to you. Guys, I'm here. I provide this free service. Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster. Watch my videos. Subscribe to my page. I guarantee you there isn't another company in Toledo or anywhere else around this region that provides the kind of information I provide totally free to you guys. I'm here to educate you. I'm here to inform you. I'm here to make sure the insurance claims process goes smooth for you. Like this video if you thought it was informative. Subscribe to my page so when more of these videos come out, you guys can see them. Have an awesome day. See you next time.